Hey there! In today's video, we'll show you a full guide on how to disable all media auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. If you're tired of your data getting drained, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the WhatsApp settings page. Step 4. Tap Storage and Data to access the storage and data settings. Step 5. Under the Media Auto Download section, tap When using mobile data. This allows you to customize your media download preferences while using mobile data. Step 6. Unmark all the options listed. By doing this, you will disable auto-download for all types of media when using mobile data. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily disable all media auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. This will help you save your precious data and avoid unexpected charges. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.